family and also, and not fight again. But in India, a lot of religions are living together and they respect each other, for Muslim, for Hindu, for Christian. Also, this is good. This is I'm thinking it's a good example for the rest of the world.
It's difficult to cross, but in Iran we stayed 2 months, and people are, like in India, very curious and very friendly, very welcoming. We don't hear the rumors. We don't take care of them.
Any difference you found between India and Pakistan?
India and Pakistan, the difference is that we crossed Pakistan with a military escort, because I think they fear something about arrive to strangers, so they want to protect us, but we didn't feel insecure. But we cannot see anything, only the road to cross. Only 5 days crossing, but for us, it's the only way to arrive in India by Iran and Pakistan to north of India, or by China. The countries in the Central Asia, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and everywhere we had a very good welcoming. People came and gave fruit and gave cookies and things like that. We don't hear the rumors about countries, because sometimes they are the government may be fighting, but people is ever welcoming. We don't look at the government's ideas. We went in Egypt, we went in Syria before the war, we went in Jordan, Libya also before the war. We never feel.
And we like travel. We like discover the other country and the other people.
So why have you chosen
Really
India?
Nice people. Very, very nice people. Beautiful country and nice people.